And man 2406 here. Today, that the other YouTube video, not important. I'm joined by Michael Angelo. You finish the rest.
Poop.
4252. Oh my god. Oh. Frosty's here. Dylan's here. But yeah, we're here at the campsite.
It sucks dick. This isn't our permanent one. We're going right there.
We're going right there tomorrow.
Where that says Inferno.
So, and you would hear the great news. I cracked my phone 2 days ago or yesterday. I cracked my phone yesterday. Not very good. It was like corner to corner. I cracked it.
And the beep.
The beeping.
Go back here. Yeah, come follow me, Dylan. Dylan, come here. Mom, close that door.
I know you can't see me. Stop it!
Ah, you hit me in the nuts.
Good. Nothing really new here.
Really?
Oh, we're about a mile and
Well,
we're about 6,000. Sorry everybody. Sorry. Did I stop the camera? Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I stopped the camera again. But we're about 6,000 feet in the air. So our ears were popping like crazy. He was flipping out.
shut up.
No, it's true. Tell me to shut up. Yeah, so he's playing with the toaster. Where do I check my Instagram?
Yeah, you can get them some water now.
Okay.
There are 2 dishes right in that thing in the bathroom, that cabinet in the bathroom.
Hmm.
Which one? The big one.
Ow. So yeah, there's very much going on.
I'm gonna say your middle name.
Don't. Do it, I dare you. Yeah.
Be careful when you step on that.
So, not much else is going on. So,
My tips. Might have to put them
I'll see you, everybody, in the next video.
It's tomorrow.
Which is tomorrow, yeah. So, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.